Welcome, and follow me is a LeEco Le S3, and today I will show you how to import contacts from your SIM card. So to get started, we want to open up the dialer app right here and then go into contacts, and as you can see I have no contacts at the moment, so all I need to do is tap on import contacts right here. It will give me the option to import from storage device or SIM card, so that's what I'm interested in. Tap on SIM card, go device, save to phone but not synced, okay, and we should see contacts from the SIM card right here once it loads them. So there we go. As you can see, there is 5 numbers and I can select all of them, select only particular ones like so, and once I have all of them that I want selected, tap on OK, and gives you OK and cool. It's basically done. So you can go here, and again we're now in contacts where you can see that there are 3 contacts added. So if you found this video helpful, don't forget to hit like, subscribe, and thanks for watching.